2022 for Louisiana. Welcome to Planetary Tarot Predictions. We're doing the area of Louisiana. Louisiana for hurricane season 2022. Energy, please. Connections, guidance, messages around Louisiana. 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 Messages, Louisiana. 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 Okay, so for Louisiana, first reading for I don't see any hurricanes for Louisiana for season 2022 in my first energy reading. I don't connect with any energy that speaks to Louisiana receiving any type of a major hurricane for season 2022. I'm so happy to say that. I did throw some additional cards just to provide myself with clarity before I made that statement. That's why it took me a few more destiny guidance energies. But today's date is June the 25th, 2022. And my prediction for the state of Louisiana is I see no major hurricane impacts for Louisiana for this year, this hurricane season. So we will do probably at least a total of 3 more hurricane season energy connections for the regions that are more susceptible for hurricane impacts, and see if the energy is consistent or if there is fluctuating and change. But for today's prediction, beginning the first season videos around the state of Louisiana, I see no major hurricane impacts for the state of Louisiana. All right, thank you. Thanks for stopping at Planetary Tarot Predictions. I hope you'll come back and follow the other videos. I'm going to do some other things connected to world leaders and energies and decisions and choices around them. I hope you'll check those out as they start to pop up on this channel, and I hope you'll subscribe. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, so that's why I am. If I don't, I won't. All right, take care.